All right, y'all. 2015 Navigator, 2015, 16, 17 are all the same, as far as I know. Okay, replacing the door lock actuator today. Already took everything apart. Didn't think about taking the video to start with. So we'll start with taking off the door panel. Door panel was fairly easy. You had one bolt behind the door handle. You had two underneath this flap right here, and you had two across the bottom. Okay, so with that, those were all 7mm. I'll double check that in a second. Pulled out the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 mils. Over here on the end was a Phillips head, and then up here at the top you had to pop this out. So I got up here and I popped out the top, and then the whole door panel just lifted up and out. Get over here. When you took the handle off, so this chrome piece, took out that 7mm there, you pulled this chrome piece out, and then that left enough room for everything to pop up in and out. Okay, so here is the old door lock actuator that was intermittent. Pulled it off already. The new ones look like this. Bought them off eBay. They said they were Motorcraft parts. The bag that came in had me suspicious if they're actually true Motorcraft. It fit in there the way it goes. Okay, so you had to pop off, so your rod that goes up and down, pop that off while it's down in there. Everything's back in there. See that red clip right there? Had to pop that open, and then moved these 3 screws over here on the edge. Okay, move that one again. Oh, those were torx. Those 3 are torx. T27s. Sorry, moving all around. It was a 7mm for the other ones. All right, so take this. After you pop those off, that green spot is where your door lock rod goes up and down. That was in that green one. The red one attaches to your outside door handle right there. So it mounts in there like this. So what you had to do is pull this clip off, out, and then right in here above my thumb is a clip. It's this clip right here. You have to push that in with a screwdriver while pulling this off out those clips, out these spots. So see how it slides in there? It slides in there. So you lift that clip up. It's right there at the tip of my thumb. Fill that up with a screwdriver, and then this piece, your door lock, slides out. And then pick it back up, put it back in there. Goes in there like that. I have to put my door lock right there, hook my door handle back up there, and then put everything back together. So then your door panel slides in these slots here. Again, you just put it on, slide it down, and then put in that clip there. You have 7mm, 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 and then Phillips. Pretty easy. Hope that helps somebody. Good luck.